again, next stop is going to be New Orleans Square. We are ready to depart. Please remain seated. The train is going to be Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world at the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please wash your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. You'll be leaving us here. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square. For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Please watch your feet. If you're looking hard, just don't think. It's where the trains power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west to this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild, downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trainers and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos delante de las piernas dentro del tren y frente a los pequeños.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto it in the world just below us. And off in the distance, just the Matterhorn Mountains. We're now speeding forward into the future. We'll land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and magical. Here you'll find rocket ships and starships, submarines and astroliners. And look overhead, maybe a glimpse of Block 7 Monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Arctopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships and doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Tomorrowland, home to station on this Disneyland, led by the astroblasters. Very much more. Please remain seated so the tank comes through. Keep your hands on the right side of the train while moving. Please supervise your children as well. Make sure the little ones are seated away from the right side, open side of the train, away from the edge of the bench. On our way to Main Street, we're going to get to the Grand Canyon and French Quarter. While traveling in the tunnel ahead, please no flash photography. You're welcome to take photos, but as I say to people those around you, we just have to grab the flash before video lighting turns off first. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, you get a rental credit. It's not very much, but it's better.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
They make it here.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos y piernas dentro del tren. Cuídate. Por favor, no tome fotografías con
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the world, the land of the dinosaurs. Returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
All the way down